Blue Stars High Secondary School, Class 2nd, Subject English. Happy morning, children. Have a nice day. In today's class, we are going to see Unit 5, Poem 5, Zoo Manners. This poem has 5 stanzas. In the first line itself, the poet starts with the word be careful. The poet asks us to be careful on what to say and what to do when you go to the zoo. In second stanza, the poet is talking about the camel. Have you seen a camel? How does the camel look? Yes, the camel also looks tall, and where does the camel live? Good. The camel lives in the desert. It is called as the sheep of the desert. So, mostly in the desert, you can see only camels, isn't it, children? And camels have a huge bump on its back called hump. The huge bump is called as hump. So, the poet is saying that you should not make fun of the hump because the camel is very proud of his camel's noble hump. In third stanza, the poet is talking about chimpanzee. Children, have you seen the chimpanzee? Good. Yes, it looks like a monkey, but it does not come under monkey. It is called as an ape. The poet says us not to laugh at chimpanzee. When we laugh at chimpanzee on looking its appearance, right, so we should not laugh at the chimpanzee because the chimpanzee thinks that is very wise. Wise means intelligent. What? Yes, wise means intelligent. There are some chimpanzees which is very intelligent like humans. So, you should not never laugh at the chimpanzee. Come to fourth stanza. The poet talks about penguins in fourth stanza. Have you seen penguins? Okay, children. Do you like penguins? How does the penguins look? Yes, it looks round or sometimes it looks oval. So, mostly the penguins looks round. And where does it lives? The penguins lives in cold areas in cold countries. The poet says that penguins are strutting around the lakes. Strutting means they don't walk like us. They don't walk. They walk side to side. The poet says that the penguins are strutting around the lake. Now the poet says us not to make any remarks about penguins. Remarks means the thing you say about penguins. If you make any fun of its appearance, the penguin gang hears you. So, should not say any remarks about the penguins. In last stanza, that is fifth stanza, in the last stanza, the poet says that you should be kind with them because the animals behave how we behave with them. Okay. When you kind with them, they will also kind with you. When you throw stones at them, what they will do? When you throw the stones at them, what they will do? It will get angry and then will bite you. So, you should be kind with them. Only you can go to the zoo. It is all about the poem Zoo Manners. Okay, children, now I am going to read the poem. Everyone take page number 72 in your English textbook. Unit 5, Poem 5, Zoo Manners. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. Come to next stanza. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. The poem Zoo Manners was written by Alien Matthias. Okay children, I think you are all enjoy the poem. In today's homework, read the poem Zoo Manners. See you in next class children. Thank you.